Is your Monopoly Go game feeling a little lonely because you can't seem to invite your friends? Let's fix that. First, make sure you're actually trying to invite them the right way. Tap on the friends icon located usually at the bottom right or left of your screen. It looks like to little people. Once you're in the friends menu, locate the big, obvious invite button. Tap it. This is where the magic should happen. Now, you should see a list of options for sharing your invite link. Choose your preferred method, whether it's WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, or copying the link directly. After selecting a method, make sure the message containing the invite link actually sends. Double-check that your message has successfully gone through to your friend. If invites still aren't working, let's dive into permissions. Head over to your phone settings app, find Monopoly Go in your app list and tap on it now. Check the permissions. Make sure Monopoly Go has access to your contacts. Without this, it can't find your friends to invite. Still no luck? Time for a clean slate. Go back to your phone's app settings, find Monopoly Go, and this time, tap on storage. Clear the cache and data. Don't worry, this won't delete your game progress. This step just resets temporary files. Finally, give your phone a good old-fashioned restart. Power it off completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can resolve temporary glitches. After trying these steps, you should be back in business, inviting friends, and dominating the Monopoly Go board together.